Hello, I'm CG Yen. This is a quick video to show how to invert mask in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. Next, we can show layers window. We can go to window and show layers here. I put it to here. Now we can make a selection. We can use a quick tool or we can use lasso tool. In this tutorial, I will use elliptical marquee tool and I make a perfect circle selection, something like this. And then make sure that we select the layer, the image layer, and then go to bottom. We can add layer mask. Okay, to add layer mask. Then if you want to invert the mask, make sure that we select the mask. We can select image or we can select the mask. Make sure that we select the mask and then go to image and then go to adjustment, go to invert, click it to invert the mask. Alternative, we can press shortcuts. We can press Ctrl I to invert the mask. So this is how we can invert mask in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yen. See you in the next video.